Welcome back, and today we have this shiny happy person. So today we've got this yellow Henry Hoover, shiny happy person, but when we go to power him on, nothing. Am I hearing a click there or anything? Nope, nothing doing. So we have to try and work out what his problem is. I'm going to start with the basics in this and just check the fuse in the plug. Or if you like my nails, they were done by my lovely daughter. Now, where is Mr. Fuse? There is Mr. Fuse. We've got a 13 amp. So we've got our 13 amp fuse, so I'm just going to take it out. Come out without taking the whole thing apart for once. For once, go easy on me. There we go. What we're going to do is, we're going to put either side of the multimeter in it. If it beeps, the fuse is fine. If it doesn't, the fuse is faked. Alright. Fuse is fine, so it's not that. Which, you know, is kind of bad for me, because it means I have to do more work. But it's good for you, so it means this video won't be 3 minutes long. So, you know, swings and roundabouts. There we go. Would be a good idea, Collie. Just put these in first. Alright, it's doing the thing again. Idiot YouTuber struggles to wire plug controversy. Himself back on the bench. I'll take his head off and we'll work from there. He's got access to any of it. Looks like we've been through there with some very long screwdrivers. So now does this section just lift away? That's what you assume. There we go. So that's the reel. Now that's just the last one falling out because I'm an idiot. So I've got some contacts there. It seems to make contact with that. It seems to be how the power gets transferred from the plug. But I've heard that these switches cause issues. So I'm going to try there first. Once I find all these screws. How do we get at this? Looks like we just have a plastic. Oh, that's broke. Something been here before. There we go. So that's our power-ups near there. Give them more juice switch, and this is our power switch. Alright, I worked out how to get this switch out so we can run some testing on it. Now you just slide these contacts off, so I'm just going to take a picture of my phone so I know where everything goes before I start messing about. Always important things like this if you can get some recorded evidence, take it from a few angles. There we go. I should just be able to slide these contacts off. Going off very easy. Yeah, multimeter. 3. Oh, that last one didn't come off very easy. Right, now we have the switch off. We'll look into testing it. So, slight change of plan. What I'm going to do instead is check the switch with power going to it to see is. No, let's see is the power going to it. Into AC. Again, 0.12. Nothing. nothing, and nothing. Okay, so there's no power getting to the switch by the looks thing. So I wonder if there's contacts. Let me press that down a bit harder there, because there's contact on the underside. I'll show you now in a minute. Nothing on that one. Nothing on that one, and nothing on that one. So it might be the switch at all. It might be our contacts. Right, let's see how we're getting across these. No, and anything across. No, nothing is getting to this area. Right, so our issue might be in here. Okay, this is why troubleshooting is good. I'm going to plug it out now and take this bit apart. Tree. Done. Okay. Oh. What has that got anything to do with it? Alright, so yeah, we just need to do a little bit of rewiring. That's not so bad, because what I can do is I can cut the cable here, and then we can just rewire it and we'll lose a couple of inches. Brilliant, okay. Give me a second. So I don't even know if that was in the shot last time, but you can see there's a break in that cable. So I can just chop the cable about here, and then we can go. I just want to test to see is there any other breaks in the cable further down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the multimeter into continuity mode. Just zoom in there a bit so you can see it a bit better. I'm going to get one of the plugs on that to the other side, and yeah, we've got continuity. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the cable there, strip it, and then just rewire it here and here. Is that a fuse? I'll just test this while I'm here. That might be a fuse. Anyway, I'll just cut the cable, re-put the cable in, and then it'll be good. Sometimes you follow the wrong things. Right, just let me check the shot for a second. Alright, so I'm going to cut her here. Alright, so that's the cable cut. Then I'm going to put the reel to the side for a minute. I want to focus on this bit, so just going to take the cable out and remove it from here and here. So I'm just going to take another photo because I won't remember which side's which. Brilliant. And we just unscrew the cable. Yeah, so they just ran them kind of around these screws and then plug them in. As you can see, pretty simples. Right, so now we'll put you to the side for a minute. You over there. Grab our cable reel. Please don't come at me for doing this completely the wrong way, because I kind of know and I kind of don't care. I need to get proper cable cutting equipment. But you know what? If you're careful and you use a knife, you should be alright. With a lot of things in life. Just a little bit, something. Then there we go. Did we cut through? We didn't. We're good. Right, so now all I have to do is strip about 15 mils or so. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Just braid it around to make things a bit easier for ourselves. Then we just need to make our little hoop. I'm going to use one of the screws as a guide for that's good there. fire it up. Do not back, just show me the photo. So it's blue to the right, brown to the left. Cable threaded in there like that, and then oh yeah, that's probably something good to look at. No, I didn't check that bit. And then I'm assuming it goes out like that. It's supposed to. Through more cable, I think, just to make life easier for myself. Yeah. A little bit less, there we go. Get our brown in, get our brown screw. Sorry, our live and our negative. Brown is live, blue is negative. I only know that because it's literally written down here. Back a bit. Just give myself a better angle. Go. Right, we're going to plug it in and do a quick test. In AC mode. No, that's not AC mode. $240. Lovely hurling. And on the shot. You can, yeah, brilliant. Right, now I'm going to put it back together a bit and do more testing. Right, I have it back. Oh, that's annoying. Don't have all the screws in yet, so a bit. Right, we're going to plug her in. Turn her on. I think that's working! Okay, I'm going to finish putting her back together and then we'll do a final test. Alright, Henry, let's see what you've got. It's plugged out. I am so smart. Alright, Henry, what have you got? Do we have high speed? No. I'm going to have to get on to the customer to see do they want me to look at that high speed switch, because it looks like it's not working, but it's not too bad to fix. Yeah, so I'll price it for them and then see what they want to do. Alright, Henry, what have you got?